Hello children, today we are going to learn about congruence of triangles. In our daily life, we see many examples of the things which are congruent. It may be a pair of scissors, it may be your parts of your cube, the Rubik cube you are playing, or the earrings that the female wears. So what is congruent in triangle? The definition says that when two geometrical figures having the same size and shape. In case of triangle, when I say same size, means the length of the segment should be same and the angle should be equal of measure. So, understand this in more detail. If all the 6 pairs of corresponding parts, that is 3 sides and 3 angles, are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. Now what are corresponding parts? Let us take an example of triangle ABC and DEF. In 1-to-1 correspondence, A corresponds to D, B to E and C to F. In that case, if these two triangles are congruent, I can say segment AB is congruent to DE, segment BC is congruent to EF, segment AC is congruent to DF. Children, when I say congruent, means the lengths are same, the measure of the sides are same. Then angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F. Again, angles are congruent means the measure of both the angles are same, they are equal. Okay, so the next question is, every time do I need all the 6? No. By measuring any 3 elements, any 3 parts, we can determine whether the triangles are congruent or not. Now, depending on this, there are 5 tests of congruency: S.S.S, S.A.S, A.S.A, A.A.S and hypotenuse side. Let's go in detail about S.S.S test. Side, side, side. In the 2 triangles ABC and DEF, look at AB and DE, they have identical marks. Look at BC and EF, they too have identical marks, and AC and DF. I can say that when the 3 sides are congruent to the another 3 sides or the corresponding sides of the another triangle, then these 2 triangles are congruent by side, side, side. Okay. The next, let us say, go for the second test, side angle side test. S.A.S. Remember, between the 2 sides, there has to be one angle, that is an included angle. Now look at the figure in triangle, again ABC and DEF. Look at the identical marks, AB congruent to DE and angle A is congruent to angle D and side AC is congruent to DF. Between AB and AC there is an angle A. Similarly between BC, between DE and DF there is angle D. So for included angle the test becomes side angle side. Now just find out the included angle in the given 3 figures. Just check your answers. One more test for you. In triangle ESY, look at the answers and check. Now let's go for the third test, angle side angle. Here between the 2 angles there has to be a side. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, Look at the identical marks. Yes, side AB is congruent to side DE. This is the included side, and AB is included between angle A and angle B. Same way, DE is included between angle D and angle E. So this is angle, side, angle. Now find out included side between the two angles. One more. Included side between the two angles in the same triangle. Now let's go for AAS test, angle, side test. Here just follow the sequence, angle, and there has to be a one side. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A congruent to angle D and angle B congruent to angle E, the side comes afterwards in a sequence. So BC is congruent to EF, and here the side is not included. So these two triangles are congruent by angle, side. And the last one is hypotenuse side test for right angle triangle. This test is only and only applicable for right angle triangles. We know that the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. So if in a two right angle triangle, look at in the figure, the hypotenuse are marked with the blue color identical marks, and AB is congruent to DE. So even just you can see these two sides. Hypotenuse should be always congruent. Then these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. I hope children you have to like, subscribe my channel. For more videos, please subscribe Active Learning by Alpa Naik. Thank you so much.